Okay, hit it.
I control it and try and catch it.
No, you just hit it. Don't move. Just let it go wherever it's gonna go. Squeeze it. It's on. Don't move. No, don't follow it. Don't follow it. Now follow it. Alright. Stand it up. Stand it up. Put it back over here. Put it back further from that thing.
From the garbage?
Yeah. Right there. Alright. Go ahead. Goes pretty high. Don't let it hit hard. Oh, good shit. Good shit. Nice. That's John. He's pretty good with this shit. One more time. One more time.
And it makes so much air too.
One more time. Don't follow it. Just stay where you at. I'll catch it. There we go. Caught it. It's our little helicopter.
Does it go all the way up to like there?
It went up pretty high. It goes, I think, maybe like, probably like 20, like 30 feet maybe.
And it makes a lot of air. Hold it so I can. It makes a lot of wind.
It's hot, right?